in 3, 2, 1, go! Stay away from me!
Not a good spot to be.
Hey guys, right here, this is meat flag with Peyton. This is Peyton's first time meat flag. I think I say somewhere like semi only, and the two teams can only use semi only to get him. He can use full auto, just thought I might clarify that. And that's about it. Here you guys go. Oh god, watch it, Peyton, watch it, shoot, 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 shoot. I think so. When in doubt, call yourself out. Hit!
I don't walk, you have to drag me. Come at me, bro! I'll give you cover and fire, don't worry. Drag handle.
Drag handle.
Is there a drag handle? These two? Like a hand, just pull. This thing won't care. Okay.
Kyle, cover me!
I'll hit you, bud!
Cover me!
I'm covering you. Oh shit, oh shit.
You can help a little bit if you want, Peyton.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
No, I'm not like shooting, like dragging.
Let's go!
Grab his legs. Drop your gun.
Scott, get your gun over here!
Dude, drop your gun, drop your gun. Drop your gun, get the top hat.
Here, let me.
Oh my god!
Shoot,
Shoot, Scott, shoot! I can't!
Go.
Meat flag! Keep us covered, Scott! I'm going to digging into my armpit. I'm sorry. This needs to happen.
Sweat, baby, sweat.
Yay! I think we win.
Yeah.
Just set me down.
Keep-
Please don't drop me.
Like,
We win!
Keep going a little bit, guys. Keep going.
We're done. Alright, set me down.
right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
That's good! Girl!
Unlimited life. Unlimited life.
Owen! Yeah, alright.
Got it.
Kyle, call that. Or,
How do I get back in?
the guy that's dragging you has to die. So.
Wow, I didn't even see Kyle. Nice shot, Kyle. I don't want. You're out. Dude, we need a ref at the red truck right now.
I got you. Alright. You got one.
Let's go. We got him. Oh, Jesus.
You can help a little bit, dude.
Just keep me covered.
Hold on, I'm gonna carry him.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were scared.
Can you get me on safety?
Don't worry.
Alright, you guys pin those guys down.
Want me to hold your gun?
Kyle, I'll be your gunner, okay? I'll be your gunner. Just don't drop me. I trust you with my life, Kyle. You guys might want to hurry.
We're getting closer.
A little bit heavy.
A little bit heavy.
Go, go, go!
Go! Game.
Just get him, man. Just let him take you.
I can't walk. Oh, geez. Please don't drag me across any nails or boards. I will try not to.
This sucks. Ah! Oh, my arm.
Pick it up. Cross your arms.
Alright, go.
Just touch the porta potty, Kyle.
Yeah, just tap it.
Let's go!